To stake XRP on Crypto.com, you need to have an account on the platform and hold XRP in your wallet. First, download and install the Crypto.com app or access the website on your computer. Create an account if you do not already have one, and complete the verification process to ensure your account is secure and compliant with regulations. Once your account is set up, deposit XRP into your Crypto.com wallet. You can do this by going to the Wallet section, selecting XRP, and clicking on Deposit. You will be provided with a unique deposit address to which you can send your XRP from an external wallet or exchange. After your XRP is deposited, navigate to the Earn section of the app or website. This section allows you to stake your cryptocurrencies, including XRP, and earn interest on your holdings. Select XRP from the list of available cryptocurrencies and click on Stake. You will be presented with the terms and conditions of staking XRP, including the interest rate you can expect to earn and any minimum staking requirements. Read through this information carefully and confirm that you agree to the terms. Next, specify the amount of XRP you wish to stake. Ensure that you leave enough XRP in your wallet for any upcoming transactions or fees. Confirm your staking amount and complete the staking process. Your staked XRP will begin earning interest immediately, and you can track your earnings in the Earn section of the app or website. Keep in mind that staking XRP means your funds will be locked for a certain period, during which you will not be able to withdraw or trade them. It is essential to understand the risks and benefits associated with staking XRP, including the potential for price fluctuations and the rewards of earning interest on your holdings. Always do your own research and consider your financial situation before making investment decisions. By following these steps, you can easily stake your XRP on Crypto.com and start earning interest on your cryptocurrency holdings. Remember to stay informed about market conditions and adjust your staking strategy accordingly to maximize your returns.